Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for Creamy Tuscan Chicken. Sit back, relax, and enjoy, and thanks for watching. Now we take some cherry tomatoes and we just slice them in half. Then put them into a baking tray. If you don't have a new baking tray, just use a foil lined tin. Cover them with a little bit of low fat cooking spray. Season liberally with some salt and pepper. Give them a good stir around and then we'll pop them into a preheated oven. Now folks, if you find any value in my videos, please, I would ask, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means I can make more videos for you. Now these go in the oven for about 20 minutes just to let them sort of go brown and to wrinkle up a bit. We take a frying pan, put it onto a medium heat, again spray it with some cooking oil, and then we're going to add some sliced onion, some crushed garlic. Just give that a stir around, then let it cook for a couple of minutes until the onion starts to go translucent. Then we'll add our chicken breast to the pan. Now we'll add some chicken stock. Homemade is always best, but if not, you can just use a stock cube. Dried basil. Dried oregano. Cook that over a medium heat. Give it about 5 or 6 minutes, then just flip them over. Now we're going to pop the lid on, let them cook for about another 10 minutes. Once our chicken's fully cooked through, we're going to add the cream cheese. Just give that a stir around, let it all melt in. Now we'll add some fresh spinach. You can use frozen spinach if you want, it goes a bit watery so you need to boil it a bit longer. Let that cook for a couple of minutes just until it wilts. We'll check that our chicken's fully cooked. Then we'll take our tomatoes out of the oven. As you can see, they're nicely roasted, and we'll add them to the cream cheese sauce. Just let that sit for a minute or two, just till everything warms up. The last step, we'll just check the seasoning and make sure that everything's fine. And now we're ready to serve our creamy Tuscan chicken. Now folks, this goes really well with some steamed vegetables, some basmati rice. As you can see, our sauce is thick. We've got plenty of vegetables there with the spinach and the tomatoes. Now I hope you enjoyed this video for Creamy Tuscan Chicken, but a healthy version. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my further videos.